Life has always repeated itself, from DNA to entire ecosystems. This recursive power is nature's secret. DNA copies itself, just like a printer, creating endless originals. Cells divide endlessly, multiplying life into infinite possibilities.
Ecosystems repeat balance, like rabbits and grass in an endless loop.
Genes switch each other on and off, rewriting their own recipe of life.
AI learns the same way, repeating and improving through recursion.
This recursive process lets AI discover new medicines in weeks, not years.
Recursion biology, the power of nature, reborn as the future of medicine.